Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you T-Mobile Starlink Direct-to-Cellular review. Is it worth it? T-Mobile has teamed up with Starlink to launch Direct-to-Cellular, a satellite messaging service that keeps you connected even in dead zones, no extra device required. Right now, it supports SMS and MMS, with voice and data expected later in 2025. Most modern smartphones like iPhone 13 and up or recent Androids are already capable. The pros: it's seamless, works automatically when you lose signal, and can be a lifesaver in remote areas. The cons: performance is inconsistent, messages may fail, arrive late, or drop mid connection. Pricing after beta is expected at $10 to $15 a month for T Mobile customers, and around $20 for others. The verdict: it's a groundbreaking tool for hikers, adventurers, and responders who need lifeline connectivity. But for everyday users who rarely leave coverage zones, the service feels too early to justify the monthly fee. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.